Flavors of Qatar. Authentic Qatari Chicken Majboos recipe. Subscribe and like for a taste of Qatar. Welcome to our channel, where we embark on a flavorful journey to Qatar. Today, we're going to share with you the secrets of making an authentic Qatari chicken majboos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to show your support. Let's get started and bring a taste of Qatar to your table. Quote, to create this delightful Qatari chicken majboos, here are the ingredients you'll need. Ingredients: 1 whole chicken, cut into pieces, 2 cups basmati rice, 4 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 large onion, finely chopped 4 cloves of garlic, minced 2 tomatoes, diced, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 2 teaspoons baharat spice blend, a mixture of cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, nutmeg, and black pepper, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, 1 teaspoon ground turmeric, 1 teaspoon paprika, salt to taste, fresh cilantro or parsley, chopped, for garnish. Now, let's dive into the world of Qatari flavors. Quote, Step 1. In a large pot, heat the vegetable oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic, sautéing until they become soft and translucent. Step 2. Add the chicken pieces to the pot and brown them on all sides. This will help seal in the flavors and create a rich base for the chicken majboos. Step 3. Add the diced tomatoes and tomato paste to the pot. Stirring everything together, allow the mixture to cook for a few minutes until the tomatoes break down and release their juices. Step 4. Add the baharat spice blend, ground cumin, ground coriander, ground turmeric, and paprika to the pot. Stir well to coat the chicken with the aromatic spices. Step 5. Rinse the basmati rice under cold water until the water runs clear. Add the rice to the pot, stirring it gently to combine it with the chicken and spice mixture. Step 6. Add enough water to the pot to cover the rice and chicken by about an inch. Bring the mixture to a boil. Then reduce the heat to low and cover the pot. Step 7. Let the chicken majboos simmer on low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. Or until the rice is tender and has absorbed all the flavors. Be sure to resist the temptation to lift the lid and peek, as this can affect the cooking process. Step 8. Once the rice is cooked, fluff it gently with a fork to separate the grains. Transfer the Qatari chicken majboos to a serving dish and garnish it with chopped cilantro or parsley for a vibrant touch. And there you have it. Qatari chicken majboos. A hearty and aromatic dish that captures the essence of Qatar. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support our content. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey to Qatar. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make this authentic Qatari chicken majboos. Remember to subscribe and like the video for more delectable recipes from around the world. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we'll explore more culinary delights from Qatar and beyond. Don't miss out. Subscribe and hit the like button to join our community and receive delicious recipes straight to your inbox. Until next time, Satan, bon appétit, and happy cooking. Quote,